Picture corporate boardrooms right now. The CFO says, "We need AI to cut costs, but can't afford another $200,000 employee with benefits." The smart CEO responds, "Get a contractor. 150 an hour when we need them, zero when we don't." The irony is perfect. Technology destroying jobs is creating massive demand for people who build it, but companies are too smart to hire them permanently. Here's why. That automation engineer's 130 salary becomes 230 with benefits and overhead, whether you need them or not. Contractors pay only for work done. No benefits, no liability, no severance risk. This creates skilled trades surgeons. You don't hire a heart surgeon full-time for one operation. Same logic applies to technical specialists needed for specific projects. These surgeons are rewriting work. Automation specialists earning 80 to 150 per hour, working aerospace Monday, food processing Wednesday. Master electricians moving from commercial build-outs to industrial installations. IT professionals integrating AI across every sector. The career revolution is here. For 50 years, advice was simple. Get a degree, find a stable job, climb the ladder. That's now dangerous. Employment security is an illusion. Companies shed loyal workers. But contractors control everything: when they work, where they work, what they earn. They incorporate for corporate tax advantages and build cross-industry expertise no single company employee could match. Companies benefit too. Every employee is a liability risk. Contractors eliminate legal exposure and benefits costs. Need a specialist for 3 months? Hire a surgeon, project done, they're gone. No severance, no lawsuits. The professional gig economy has arrived for skilled trades that matter. While everyone fears AI eliminating jobs, smart professionals ask, how do I become a skilled trade surgeon building the future everyone else fears? The white-collar bloodbath is inevitable. But for automation contractors and companies using surgical expertise instead of permanent staff, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. The revolution needs technical surgeons across every skilled profession. The question isn't whether to develop these skills. It's whether you'll act before everyone else catches up. The revolution needs surgeons. Will you be one?